What if your home could conquer mountains, deserts, snow, and still look this luxurious? Today, we're checking out one of the most extreme off-road motorhomes ever built. Starting from the front, this Toyota Arctic Truck 66 immediately grabs attention with its massive off-road stance. The heavy-duty steel bumper, integrated recovery winch, aggressive LED headlights, oversized all-terrain tires, and high ground clearance make it look ready for any adventure. Every detail is built for strength, durability, and confidence. From this angle, you can clearly see the extended 6.6 chassis that gives this expedition vehicle incredible stability. The rugged fender flares, black alloy wheels with blue accents, reinforced side steps, and premium body styling create the perfect balance between luxury and extreme capability. The side profile reveals the spacious expedition cabin with large, panoramic windows that bring natural light into the living area. Multiple storage compartments, heavy-duty doors, rooftop cargo boxes, solar panels, and the retractable side awning make this motorhome perfect for long-distance overlanding. Looking from the rear side, the vehicle showcases its extended living space while maintaining excellent departure angles for rough terrain. Every inch has been designed to maximize interior comfort without sacrificing off-road performance. From this perspective, the muscular body lines and triple-axle setup become even more impressive. The balanced weight distribution helps improve stability on uneven trails while giving the vehicle an unmistakable commanding presence. The passenger side continues the premium expedition design with clean body lines, high-quality insulation, large windows, roof-mounted accessories, and easy access to the living quarters. It's a perfect combination of engineering and luxury. On top, you'll notice solar panels for off-grid power, heavy-duty cargo boxes, roof racks, communication equipment, and satellite connectivity. These features allow travelers to stay independent for days without relying on external utilities. Inside the bedroom, you'll find a comfortable queen-size bed, soft ambient lighting, premium storage cabinets, large windows, and a relaxing atmosphere designed for peaceful nights after long adventures. The fully equipped kitchen features modern countertops, a stainless steel sink, induction cooktop, microwave, refrigerator, generous cabinet storage, and everything needed to prepare meals anywhere in the world. The bathroom includes a separate shower, modern toilet, stylish vanity, sink mirror, excellent ventilation, and premium waterproof finishes, bringing home-level comfort into the wilderness. Would you travel across America in this incredible Toyota Arctic Truck 6X6 luxury motorhome? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing luxury motorhomes and expedition vehicles every week.